Hey guys, we are on the bench with this amp throttle booster today for the 6.7 Power Strokes. We're going to be talking about basically all the features that are involved with this and do a quick unboxing, so let's just jump right into it. The plastic wrap here on the front is going to be the first thing. Just peel this off so we can get inside the box. There we go. Put that over there, slide the sleeve off the top, and now we should be able to pop this thing open. There we go. All right, so there is a little box right here we're gonna pull out, and this should have the actual module itself in it. There we go. Put that on the side. Perfect. All right, so here we have the actual amp module itself. As you can see, it's not too big, pretty easy size. That's gonna mount up in the truck, no problem. We'll put that up there, go into the details in a little bit. Then next we have the actual wiring harness itself. Everything's nicely put together with these weather sealed connectors. Set that to the side. Then we have the little button here to adjust the power levels. Like I said, we'll talk about that in a minute. Also some zip ties to button up all your cables and get everything neatly placed in the truck. And then lastly, we have this little pamphlet with some basic information on the amp module itself and just some details involved with that. So if we move this off to the side, let's talk about some details here with this throttle booster. So this module is basically designed to plug into your truck to allow for a little bit better throttle response and kind of remove some of that dead pedal feel to allow for a better transition of power when you actually put your foot down. It does this by reprogramming essentially the sensitivity of how the truck reads your throttle, but what it'll do is you'll connect it with this harness and use the switch that we have here in the bag, which I will pull out for you guys. And this is going to give you the option to basically connect the switch, and you'll have 3 different modes you can click to where you can either adjust the throttle sensitivity by 50% increase, 100% increase, or 400% increase. That's going to give you the ability to set your truck to a mode that best fits how you're driving at the moment or what kind of response you need. So obviously if you're towing or something, you may not want a full 400% increase in that throttle response, but you want a little bit more punch, you can set it to just that first setting and give it a click. If you want to drive a little bit more aggressively or really max out the way that it feels and get the best application of power, then you can tick it up from there and find what suits your driving style. Another thing worth noting is that the amped module will work with your truck if you do have other mods already in place. So if you did something like an exhaust or a cold air intake, this isn't going to affect that in any sort of way. You can still run it, still get the kind of power transition that you want and the response that you want without having to worry about the effect of other aftermarket parts. So if you guys are interested in picking up this amp module for your Super Duty, you can head down in the description below, click that link, and we'll see you guys out on the street.